Hello friends, welcome to WARC Kyrgyz tutorials. I'm Adina and I'm your Kyrgyz language tutor. Let's continue discovering the features of Kyrgyz language. Today we will be talking about body parts in Kyrgyz. Please repeat after me and take notes. Dene, body. He has a strong body. Anın güçlü denesi var. Baş, head. He shook his head. Al başını çaykadı. Bed, face. We need to wash our face every day. Betimizi günügör yuvuşumuz gerek. Göz, eye. Excessive use of telephone is harmful for the eyes. Telefonda köp kolunu göz yap. Kaş, brow. He lifted his brow. Al kaşını götürdü. Burun, nose. With our nose we smell. Burnumuz menen biz cittayız. Kirpik, lash. She flattered her long lashes. Al uzun kirpiklerini kağıp ciberdi. Kulak, ear. Sarah whispered in my ear. Sarah benim kulağıma şıvıradı. Kol, hand. He asked for her hand in marriage. Ala'nın kolunu sıradı. Bilek, wrist. I went to judo and broke my wrist. Men judoga barıp bilegimni sındırıp geldim. Boot, leg. He sat on a chair with his legs crossed. Al butun kayçılaştırıp oturguçka oturdu. Çeke, forehead. He has a big forehead. Anın çekesi çoğun. Karek, pupil. Keep the book as a pupil of your eyes. Kitapti көздің карегіндей сақта. Erinder, lips. She nervously biting her lips. Al nervlenip erinderin diştek çattı. Egg, chin. Fred rubbed his chin and thought. Fred eğini uşalap oylanıp kaldı. Moyun, neck. He turned his neck. Al moynun vurdu. İyin, shoulder. He patted on her shoulder. Al anın iyinin sıladı. Dalı, back. He had a back pain. Anın dalı orup çattı. Çıkanak, elbow. He laid on his elbow. Al çıkanağına dayandı. Parmak, finger. I burned my finger. Men parmağımda kürgüzüp aldım. Tırmak, nail. Her mother cut her nails. Apası tırnaklarını kırkıp verdi. In English, when we are talking about physical descriptions, we often use to have. For example, he has beautiful eyes. In Kyrgyz, we use genitive case in order to show whose body part we are talking. Anın sulu gözleri var. A literal translation of it would be something like, of him there are beautiful eyes. Let's practice some more physical descriptions. Jiraftın moynu uzun. Giraffe has long neck. Anın gözleri çoğun. She has big eyes. Strauss'un butları uzun. Ostrich has long legs. Let's review some comparison and try to translate these physical descriptions. My sister's hair is longer than mine. Benim ecemdin çaşları meninkinin uzunura. My child's hands are smaller than mine. Benim balamdın kolları meninkinin küçünerek. That's it for today. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And if you think this video was useful, you may like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned, we want you to learn. Görüşmek üzere.